What is your name?
Photograph.
Yeah, what is your name?
I want to photograph.
Tell me your name.
Denied.
I want to give Zemmi.
Okay.
What is Papa's name?
I want to give Mama.
What do you want to give Mama?
I want to give Mama.
You want Zemmi Mama. What is your name?
Denied.
What you want to eat? What you want to eat? How are you?
My child fine lion.
Oh, okay.
I want to give Mama.
Take.
Oh,
Sing one song.
What
Sing one
happened?
song.
Nice.
Sing one song.
What?
Denied.
Okay, you eat.
Mama,
To your mouth. Okay. You don't want to spoil your hand. Oh, okay.
Just sing one song.
To sing. Mama hold for you. Give Mama. Mama give one by one. See, I answer what Baba is saying. So, sing.
no,
What is your name?
no, I want to photograph.
Then Zemmi finger. Zemmi finger now. Nice. And then one more. Zemmi,
Yes, Mama.
eating sugar.
Mama, eating chips.
Okay. Zemmi, eating chips.
No, Mama.
Telling lies.
No, Mama.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha.
Wow, so nice. One more chips for you. One more chips. Now, head and shoulder, knees and toes. Up, up. You do one, two. Okay, sit down. Eyes and nose and mouth, head and shoulder, knees and toes. Very good. One more, and then what else will do? Building up the temple, building up the temple. Huh? Building up the temple of the Lord. Building up the temple. Building up the temple. Boys, come and help us. Girls, come and help us. Building up the temple of the Lord. Nice, good. Girls, come and help us. Boys, come and help us. Building up the temple of the Lord. Yeah, nice. Now next is what to do?
Two baby shark.
Baby shark. 1, 2, 3.
Baby shark.
You keep that. Rain, hold on.
What?
Wow.
Zemmi,
Yes, Papa.
eating chips,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha.
Yay!